sounds that we hear on a visit to National Park can be the soundtrack to your entire experience outdoors, to get away from the clamor of everyday life. The mission of the Natural Sounds program is twofold: to further the understanding of the role that soundscapes play in overall ecosystem health, but there's also a human dimension side. The impact of sounds and the ability to hear the sounds of nature, or not, if it's impaired by noise sources, greatly can impact a visitor's experience.
That sort of expansive or immersive experience of being aware of things at great distances and all around is magical and rare and endangered, because of course the quietest places in the country are the ones most vulnerable to noise. We really don't know what the cost of noise is for animals, and to what extent this gradual erosion of their ability to hear things is going to disrupt ecological function or put certain species at a disadvantage.
The sounds that we hear can influence a national park experience in a very powerful way.
Hearing can enrich everyday experience, but certainly the visit in a park. And when we begin to compromise the opportunities to hear natural sounds, I think when we erode those opportunities, we've removed one of the dramatic things that a person could experience in a national park.
Fourscore and 7 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation.
In the National Park Service, we treat the acoustic environment, or the soundscape, as both a natural and cultural resource.
Ready, freeze and fire!
This symphony of sounds together is treated as a natural resource that's accorded the same level of protection as any other resource.